Oke ya, adik-adik yang ada di rumah nih kali ini spesial banget karena kita kedatangan guru kita nih. Kita bakal belajar dari negara tetangga kita yaitu adalah Thailand. Tapi Kak Anissa nggak sendirian nih karena di samping Kak Anissa ini sudah ada namanya adalah Pak Samar Solehan atau boleh adik-adik sapa Pak Samar nih. Yuk kita sapa dulu nih. Halo, selamat pagi.
Oh ya, selamat pagi Mbak Nisa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ya.
Jadi kita hari ini bakal belajar tentang Thailand nih Pak.
Ya, kita akan mencoba mengenal lebih dekat negara Thailand.
Oke.
Nah, kemudian untuk kalau biasanya kita belajar hanya melalui buku atau kemudian mungkin media digital lain, internet mungkin, kita akan mencoba untuk langsung berinteraksi, berkomunikasi dengan teman saya yang kebetulan warga negara Thailand. Beliau tinggal di provinsi Kalasin.
Oke.
Nah, dan saat ini saya kira sudah bergabung dengan kita ini, Mbak.
Oke, mungkin
Langsung
langsung
kita.
aja nih Pak disapa nih
Oke,
teman
ya.
Bapak nih.
Oke, good afternoon, Migran.
Yes, good afternoon, Sama.
Okay, thank you for joining us, and we are so sorry about your inconvenience. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Before you explain about Thailand, I will introduce first about yourself in Indonesian, in bahasa Indonesia. Jadi anak-anak ini yang menemani kita belajar pada pagi hari ini namanya Wigran Jorntapa. Beliau adalah seorang kepala sekolah atau di sana namanya school director di John. Wigran, help me mention your school name. John Suksa.
Suksa.
Ya.
Suksa.
John Suksa.
Suksa. Yeah.
Okay. John.
Suksa meaning the study.
Okay. Oh, study. Okay. John Suksa from Kalasin Province, right?
Yes.
Ya. Nah, beliau ini adalah juga seorang guru matematika, tapi juga seorang kepala sekolah. Oke, Wigran, we have around 5 minutes for you to explain about Thailand, the fact of Thailand. Please, the time is yours.
Thank you, Sama.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. My name is Wigran Jorntapa.
Yeah.
I am a school director for Jorntapa Siksa School. Jorntapa Siksa is located at Kalasin Province, northeast of Thailand.
Northeast.
For more information about Thailand, Thailand have a capital city is Bangkok. Bangkok is famous city for well known, and I think they have a lot of tourists.
Yeah.
During in the past.
Ibu kota Thailand ada di Bangkok, anak-anak. And then next.
Bangkok is our capital city, and now the prime minister of Thailand is Mr. General Prayut Chan-o-cha.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we have 77 province in Thailand.
Oh, jadi di Thailand itu wait, Migran. I have to translate first to my student. Okay, I will translate. The Prime Minister, Perdana Menteri Thailand saat ini adalah Mr. Jenderal Prayut Chan-o-cha atau yang biasa dipanggil Mr. Tu. Kemudian number of provinces, jumlah provinsinya ada 77 provinsi. Banyak ya dibanding Indonesia. Okay, next, brother.
Yeah, our population is around 70 million people.
70 million.
70 million.
Not 76. No.
Not 76.
No.
70. Around 70. Round up. up to 20.
Jadi jumlah penduduknya itu sekitar 70 juta jiwa. Bayangkan di sana 70 juta dibagi dalam 77 provinsi. Kita ada 200. Indonesia have around 265 million population, brother. So we so big number. And then next,
Next, the currency of Thailand is baht.
baht. Okay. Jadi mata uangnya adalah baht. Oke.
Baht.
Then language, maybe.
Around 100 baht is around 70, 25 mil, $25. $25.
100 baht equal with 25 dollar. Jadi 100 baht setara dengan 25 dolar. Wah, lumayan banyak ya. Oke, next.
Yes. In Thai, almost Thai speak Thai language.
Thai language. Jadi hampir semua orang di Thailand berbahasa Thailand. Oke, atau berbahasa namanya bahasa Thai. Bahasa Thai, Mbak Nisa.
Thai.
Pakai
Oke.
H ya.
Ya.
Thai. Ya, then next.
Yeah. The famous city and big city in Thailand, such as in north of Thailand, we have famous city in Chiang Mai.
Oke.
Chiang Mai is big city in north of Thailand. For northeast of Thailand, we have Khon Kaen, is
Oh.
big city, and south of Thailand is Songkhla, is a big city.
Songkhla. Ya, jadi di Thailand itu ada beberapa kota besar. Kalau di Thailand Utara ada Chiang Mai, kemudian di North East berarti utara timur laut itu ada tadi Khon Kaen, kemudian ada Songkhla di bagian selatan.
As a south
Ya, ya.
Thailand. Khon Kaen far from my school around 40 kilometers.
Oh, only 40. Jadi dari Kalasin ke kota Khon Kaen itu hanya
Ya.
40 km, 40 km. Oke. Next.
Yes.
Airport.
And during last week, we have got a heavy rain from No depression. No.
Oh, heavy rain.
Heavy rain.
How about right now? Is
Now they has passed.
Oke, good. Jadi hari Sabtu kemarin itu hujan lebat, tapi sekarang sudah selesai. Oke. Maybe next week can pass to go to Q&A ya. Jadi tanya jawab. Question and answer. Okay, for now first question, brother, you said that currency in Thailand is baht. Okay, baht. Now, can you show us the example of your baht? The example of your
Yeah.
baht. I believe that you bring many baht. Much more baht in. Okay. How much is it?
1,000 baht.
1,000. Jadi itu contoh uangnya anak-anak yang biasa digunakan itu ada 1.000 baht. By 1,000, what good can we buy? 1,000 baht can be used for buy what?
1,000 baht. We use by 1,000 baht is a
Can be used for buy something, maybe
many things.
many things.
1,000 is a big.
Wow.
Yes.
So thank you. So we can realize that you are a rich man. Ya, jadi saudara kita ini yang dari Thailand ternyata orang kaya, Mbak Anissa. Rich man, they have, because you have big
This
money.
morning I have planned to fill the gasoline, but I forgot. I drive past it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
drive past the gasoline station and I
Oh.
forgot.
25 juta ya. Oke, by 1,000 maybe we can buy a motorcycle, brother. Yeah.
No. 1,000 we can buy. We can use for a big meal in Thailand. We can use for something. When my student have got the reward, something they can do. I pay 1,000 for to feed the pizza like
Oh,
this.
jadi hanya untuk beli pisau untuk 2 anak gitu. Jadi enggak bukan motor. Oke. Very interesting. And then now we go to the language. Language in your country is
Yes.
Thai.
Thai.
Can you give us the example of Thai language, maybe by counting from number 1 until 5 in Thai, and we will repeat your voice. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. In Thai, we counting a number starting from one.
1,
We call 1.
neng. Anak-anak tirukan neng.
Neng.
Neng itu artinya 1. Ya. Then
2 is 2.
song.
Song.
3 is we 3 is 3.
Sam. Okay, sam. Then
4 is 4.
si.
Si.
And 5 is 5.
Ha. Okay, I will repeat. Neng,
Neng.
song,
Song.
sam, si, ha.
Ha.
Yes, very good.
Okay. Are you interested to try to counting number 1 until 5 in bahasa Indonesia?
Yes.
I will try to guide you. 1,
1,
okay. 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Wow, you are clever one. Very good. Yeah,
Thank you.
but I don't believe you can repeat for the counting from 1 until 5 in bahasa Indonesia by yourself.
Yeah. I will teach my student with some bahasa language.
Yeah,
I think
okay.
maybe
Yeah.
useful to
Jadi-
understanding about that author in Southeast Asia.
Ya. Jadi kalau di luar negeri itu mereka menyebut Indonesian language, no Indonesian language tapi bahasa.
Bahasa.
We
Oke.
will try in bahasa. I mean Melayu atau bahasa Indonesia. Oke, next. Jadi tadi anak-anak kita sudah belajar berhitung dari 1 sampai 5 dalam bahasa Thailand. Kemudian mungkin Mbak Nisa ada yang ditanyakan?
Oke. Can you tell me the names of days in Thailand language?
Oh,
Migrants.
ya. Migran, Nisa wants to learn maybe about Thai language, how to mention the name of day. Sunday in Thai and so on. Monday.
Yes. Sunday we call อาทิตย์
Atit.
Atit.
Atit pelut. Then
Monday is จันทร์
Chan.
Chan.
Chan. Okay. Then
Tuesday is อังคาร
Angkan. And then
Wednesday is พุธ
Puk. K. Puk. Pruk. There are. Pruk.
พุธ
Pruk.
Oh,
Pruk.
okay.
Okay. And then
and Thursday is พฤหัสบดี
Palahasabodi.
very good พฤหัสบดี
Palahasabodi, Mbak Nisa.
Palasa.
Palahasabodi.
Oke.
Palahasabodi. And then
Saturday is เสาร์
Sau.
So.
How about Friday? Friday.
Oh, Friday is soup.
Suk.
Sup.
Suk. Truk. And then Saturday.
Saturday is Sau.
Sauk.
Oke.
And the last for Sunday.
Sunday is Atit.
Ati.
Oh, oke. The new knowledge for us ya Mbak Nisa,
Yeah.
pengetahuan baru. New knowledge for us. Okay, maybe we can go to the next question, brother. In your country, student have to pay tuition fee?
In our country we have both
Both.
pay and free.
Oh, jadi di sana ada yang membayar, ada yang gratis.
Oke.
Oke. Is it any special requirement? Who can get free? Who can get pay?
In the government school, the famous government school, we have the special class for science and mathematics. We call gifted class.
Gifted class, oke. Ada kelas khusus gifted class tuh ya, sama di Indonesia mungkin.
English program class. That student pay more.
Oh, jadi ada kelas khusus namanya gifted class untuk kelas sains dan matematik itu bayar. Yang lainnya free.
Other is ordinary class is pay a little bit.
Okay. And in your country, is it any national examination?
Yes. That is we had a hot topic on last week.
Oh, jadi ada topik hangat di sana.
Want to cancel this examination for this year because they give the reason from COVID-19.
Oh,
But
jadi
normally we have a national test for primary one.
oh,
Primary one we have a test only about the reading skill. Primary three, we test about math and reading skill. And primary six we call ONET.
oh,
ONET is the Ordinary National Educational Test.
oh ya. Jadi di sana itu kelas
Primary
1.
six have a 4 subject to test.
Ya. Jadi wait, di Thailand itu ada di kelas 1, kelas 3 dan kelas 6. Tapi kelas 3 hanya matematika tadi ya. Kalau kelas 6 4 mata pelajaran. Di Thailand sekarang kemarin baru hangat dibahas, katanya ujian nasional tahun ini akan di-cancel karena alasan Covid. Tapi pada biasanya hari biasa tahun-tahun yang normal ada ujian nasional. Okay, brother, is it can be used for the requirement to apply in the next level? For example, student from primary school after finish ONET, then use the value to apply in junior high school, or there is another requirement?
What again please?
Okay. If a student graduate from primary school and then he want to apply in next level, primary school and so on, what recommend they have to fulfill? Can they use the value of ONET for apply?
Normally the next school, the next level use ONET 30%.
Jadi nilai ONET ujiannya hanya 30%.
30%.
Okay.
And 70% from the test by the next level test by school.
Oh,
Each
jadi
school have set a test
oh ya.
and they can get score 70% from this.
Iya.
30
Jadi
from 30% from
Jadi di Thailand itu kalau mau sekolah tidak melulu menggunakan nilai ujian seperti
Iya.
kita, Mbak Nisa. Di sana itu nilai ujian sekolah di SD di persentasenya 30%.
30%, oke.
Yang 70% itu diambil dari ujian sekolah yang dituju.
Dituju,
Misalnya
oke.
ke SMP X ya harus
Iya.
ujian itu 70. Ini pengetahuan yang menarik ya untuk
Iya.
kita ya. Mungkin bisa diadaptasi.
Betul.
Kemudian next berada how about the 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 name of your king, brother, emperor. I forget about the name of your emperor.
Oh, the king of Thailand now is the king number 10.
Number 10.
Number
Jadi
10
raja
for
10.
for Chakri monarchy.
Iya.
And then his name is Wachila Longkorn.
King Wachilalongkorn, the 10 generation.
Yeah.
Ya. Jadi generasi ke-10 namanya Raja Wachilalongkorn. Oke. Thank you. Mbak Nisa, mungkin akan ada pertanyaan lagi.
Oke, Wigran. How many hours are there for student to study at school?
Ya. In a day, student in school study in school how long? How many hours?
Depend on each school.
Oh, tergantung sekolahnya.
Oke.
Normally is 6 period.
6 period. One period? How long? One period. 60 minutes or 45 minutes?
50 minutes.
50 minutes. Jadi one period 1 jam pelajaran kalau kita
Oke,
sebut
iya.
ya, atau 1 SKS kalau di kuliahan
Iya.
itu 50 menit.
Oke.
Dan itu sehari kurang lebih 6
6
jam pelajaran. Oke. Oke, next. Ini untuk penonton anak-anak. What time is it in Kalasin now? What time?
Now is 3 p.m.
Oh. Jadi di anak-anak dan Mbak Nisa di Thailand sekarang itu jam 3 sore, lebihnya mungkin tadi ya enggak banyak lah sama ya. Artinya waktu di Thailand
Iya.
dan di Indonesia itu sama, di Jakarta atau waktu Indonesia Barat itu sama, sehingga kita tidak ada perbedaan.
Iya.
Kalau dengan Indonesia Tengah mungkin beda 1 jam. Oke. And next, how about the weekdays in Thailand? In Thailand, weekdays start from Monday until
Yeah. Monday until Friday.
Friday. Jadi hanya 5 hari kerja, Mbak
iya.
Nisa. Asik itu. Ya. In our country, brother, weekdays start from Monday until Saturday. 6 days.
Iya.
Very interesting. Okay.
Because you Friday you work, you have go to
Ya.
to do activity.
Ya. Jadi saudara kita ini walaupun beliau beragama Buddha tapi tahu bahwa di hari Jumat kita ada ritual sholat Jumat dan
Sholat
lain-lain,
Jumat,
sehingga pulangnya lebih awal, maka jam kerja di Indonesia hari kerjanya sampai hari Sabtu. Yeah, right. In Friday we have to go to mass to pray, to do pray. Namanya the name is sholat Jumat. Ya. Mbak Nisa, is there any question from you? Masih ada lagi?
Cukup sih,
Oh,
Mas.
cukup. Oh no, how far is Kalasin to Bangkok berada? From your province to Bangkok, how far?
From Karasin to Bangkok around 600 kilometers.
Jadi dari Kalasin ke Bangkok itu 600 km, lumayan jauh ya, seperti Semarang mungkin, Semarang Jakarta.
Ya.
Ya, in our town, our city to Jakarta, it's about around 300 km maybe. From Purwokerto to Purbalingga to Jakarta, our capital city. And if you go to Bangkok, how long?
Allow 7 hour
Ya,
from
jadi
for bus.
sekitar 7 jam dari ini ya, naik bus. Is there any airport in Kalasin? Airport?
Airport, no airport in Kalasin because we are small city near Khon Kaen.
Oh, okay.
When we want to go to Bangkok by airplane, we go to airport in Khon Kaen.
Okay. Maybe this is what the last one, the last question, brother. Sometimes we see people comment in social media by put number 555 in the last comment. What is the meaning of 555 from the comment?
Yes, in Thai language,
Yeah.
Wi-Fi we pronounce ha ha ha.
Oh, so it's meaning we happy.
Yeah. When you laugh.
Oh.
That means if you find whose comment 555, that means it's Thai.
Oh, okay. And they are happy. Okay.
I think that's we know that who is Thai.
Ya, different in our country. Jadi kalau di ini bahasa Thailandnya itu 5 itu H, sehingga mereka kalau tertawa cukup memberi kakak 555 artinya haha. In Indonesia, brother, if someone happy and they are laughing, they will put WK. W and K. So in Indonesia there are some people mention Indonesia is wek land. Okay, maybe enough, brother. But you can stay in the room because we have a quiz to for our penonton viewer,
audience.
yeah.
Yes,
So that
student.
maybe you can become the judge. It is the answer true or false? The answer is, what is the Thai language of 5?
Yeah.
We waiting for the viewer, maybe for our viewer to join with us to give the question, the answer the question. What is the Thai language of 5?
Yeah.
And
Ada pertanyaan dari Panjer.
ya apa itu?
Okay. How education can maintain culture in Thailand, such as most famous martial art, Muay Thai?
Oh, Muay Thai.
Muay Thai.
Oh ya. Wigran, there is a interesting question from our viewer, but he didn't want to call. Only type in WhatsApp, maybe too sexy the voice. Okay, I will read once more. How education can maintain culture in Thailand, such as most famous of martial art of your country? Is it included in the curriculum in your country for martial art, Thai, kickboxing, like that? Yeah.
Muay Thai.
Yeah, Muay Thai. Is it included in your curriculum?
Some school have a Muay Thai in curriculum. but for the professional, we have the sports school that have a Muay Thai in curriculum.
Oh, jadi ada sekolah-sekolah tertentu
Iya.
yang memasukkan Muay Thai untuk ini. In which grade they can study the Muay Thai? Which grade? Grade 1 or there is some requirement? For student in primary school, they can learn and study about Muay Thai start from grade what? Which grade?
For the children, if you want to practice Muay Thai, you can go to boxing gym.
Oh, jadi semuanya
Boxing
Mas
gym.
Anjar bisa praktek kelas berapapun, yang penting masuk di boxing gym itu cara di itu. Ya mungkin semacam kayak ekskul ya.
Iya.
Oke, brother. For the last one, please help me to say in bahasa Indonesia satelit TV inyonge pol. Okay, you can repeat my word. Satelit TV
Stability 50
inyonge pol.
in your neighbor.
Yeah. By show your thumb. Once again. Your thumb.
So you come.
Your thumb, you can thumbs up your. Nah, satelit TV
Stability 50
inyonge pol.
in your neighbor.
Show your thumb.
Salatam.
Yeah, thank you. Very good. You are the best teacher in Thailand. Okay, I think enough, brother. We can see again next time. Okay, our session may be finished, and the answer from the question of Thai language of 5 is ha. Is it right?
Yeah.
Nah, ya, selamat untuk Marvinda Abinaya Askadina yang sudah menjawab bahasa Thailandnya 5 adalah ha.
Ha.
Ya. Thank you, brother. See you next time. And saya kembalikan ke Mbak Nisa. Terima
Oke,
kasih.
terima kasih Pak Samar.
Oke.
Thank you for
Bigran.
Bigran. Oke, jadi itu dia tadi sesi kita. Tadi kita belajar banyak tentang Thailand, kemudian tadi mengenai bahasanya, kemudian sekolahnya gimana sih di sana. Dan tadi terima kasih juga untuk Pak Samar yang tadi
Ya,
sudah
sama-sama.
membantu adik-adik yang ada di rumah untuk mengetahui lebih dalam, lebih banyak ya tentang Thailand ini, negara Thailand, negara tetangganya Indonesia. Oke, terima kasih. Dan selanjutnya masih ada beberapa sesi lagi nih, tapi jangan kemana-mana, tetap di Siba Sinau bareng Satelit TV.
Ya, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.